Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guess what? In this video, we are going to be making Ofe Nsala. Yoruba girl wey sabi cook okay. Yay! Omo, this soup is so delicious. Trust me. So let's get into it. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm kneeling down, please. Those of you that took me to 300 subscribers, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. First, we'll be boiling our meat. I'm basically using salt and seasoning cube to boil my meat with some little water. When I'm making Ofe Nsala, I don't like using one kind of meat. I love mixing it like a shaki, a dough. You know, just mix the meat and boil it together with your yam. And once the yam is ready, is soft and the meat is good to go, remove your yam, add in water to the meat mixture. Next, I'll be introducing my blended hebanaro, enough crayfish, and the secret ingredient, ogiri. A little bit of ogiri to give it that scent and flavor. What is Ofe Nsala without ogiri? Egbamike. I'm going to cover my pot and allow this to boil. While that is boiling, I'm going to pound my yam. So open up that pot and add in that pounded yam in chunks. Cover up your pot after adding the pounded yam. Allow the yam to spread in the soup and allow that yam to thicken your Ofe Nsala. Hey, you can imagine the aroma in my kitchen right now. Hey, best served with fufu or pounded yam, but I'm in school, I'm broke, so I ate mine with eba for the meantime. But next time I'm going to be making Ofe Nsala, I'm going to be pairing mine with fufu. I added utasi leaf for some ginger in my soup. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye guys.